Hello, welcome to another weekly challenge. My name is Lucia, and if you know what this is about, you can skip the intro part and go straight into the dancing part. For those of you who are new, I want to explain what this is about. Weekly challenge, it's gonna be 2 weeks with one task, but this weekly challenge is about consistency, about taking one small part of your dance movement practice and only practicing one task, one drill, one move. I give you my idea of what you can practice, but you can take whatever, as long as you know how to do it and it's something that you need to practice. I'm just giving you an idea of what you can do, and I'm giving you different levels. Here are the rules. You do this every day for a week for 1 to 3 songs. So it's between 3 to 10 minutes. If you do one song, it's enough. Don't think it's not enough. If you cannot do 7 days, you can do 6. So the rule number 1 is you take one task that I give you or that you choose for yourself, and you do it for 1 to 3 songs every day for a week. Now, this is a weekly challenge, and in the week 1, we're gonna practice the movement, the technique, the drill. In the week 2, we're gonna train it. Now, what's the difference? We are gonna work on the intensity. So in the week 1, you will focus on executing the move correctly, executing the technique correctly. You will not want to get too tired. You wanna focus on making it big, on making it correct, on making sure it fits the music, that you're on beat. In week 2, we are gonna focus on strength, on explosiveness, on stamina. In week 1, you will take breaks if needed, so you can execute the movement properly again after the break. In week 2, I want to push you and I want you to do movement for the whole song, for example, like to really push yourself to the limits until failure. So one move, one technique, we are gonna do it for 2 weeks, but each week it's gonna be a different challenge, different task. This week we are doing one of my favorite techniques to practice, and it's jiggle. So I'm gonna give you 3 different variations you can do. You can do your own as well, but just make sure you don't do too much. You can do your own variation as well. Just make sure you don't do too much. Don't fit too many things. I want you to focus on one small thing to practice. Jiggle, for a beginner version, we're gonna do really slow without actually jiggling. Just focus on controlling the movement and twisting in your waistline, or the normal jiggle that is up here, and just focus on doing it. Practice makes perfect. Just relax and jiggle. For intermediate, so step 2, we're gonna do the jiggle that goes down, yeah? So we're gonna switch the position. We're gonna do it here. And for the advanced, I want you to go as low as you can. So we jiggle right here, right? Or in this position. These are our levels. Let's play the music. Do it for one song. You can follow me and then play the song that I will post in the description. I will post the song link. Beginner, you do your level. And remember, week 1, take breaks and focus on quality, yeah? Not quantity. Keep going. I'm gonna show you the intermediate variation now. Just go down. And advance. Take breaks whenever you need. Focus on executing as best as you can. You can even cheat a bit, like this.
Every man them want a up. Wouldn't mind if you put me like a book. Tell them look but no touch them cannot even feel it. I know I wish you was a barrel for them wheel it.
You can rest whenever you need. And then start again.
Yes, me love how you hold me, baby. You grip me right. Use the muscle, hold me, baby. Me call you last night. I feel call you back tonight. Call you something right. Yes, you're something tight. Second, I gotta grip on the glue. Now I got my now pass through. Now give it to the fish and the crew. That's in my tree, not that's two. My girl, that's what me with the muscle. Climb and slide down for the grizzle. Once when the rain start jizzle. Make me go dig out the simmer with it jizzle, girl. Keep me clean, girl. I like how you keep me coming and you make me talking on my sleep. You make me talking on my sleep, yeah. Keep it clean, girl. I like how you keep it whining and you make me talking on my sleep. My girl, you make me even ask for this something on my sleep, girl. You're something tight. You're walking right.
You can choose any song that you want. For every day of the challenge, I'm gonna give you another song that's gonna be in the Spotify playlist. So you can choose those songs or any song that you want. This song is gonna be linked in the description if you're on YouTube or if you're on Instagram. The link is gonna be right where the video is for the song and for the Spotify playlist. Just 2 more tips, don't skip steps. The point is for you to feel comfortable in your level so you can then get to the next level. Skipping steps doesn't work. I tried, it doesn't. Stay where you are. You will feel the difference in how you move in 1 week, and then it's going to be easier to go to the next level. I just want to encourage you to share what you do. You can share videos, you can share that you did the challenge in the school community, and if you're not, you can always join to follow more trainings to learn more besides the challenges, or you can be in the community to get feedback on your dancing. You don't even have to do my classes. Just share with people what you did. Yeah, share every day. If you do on Instagram, tag me and Untamed On Demand. It's nice to have a little push, and it's nice to see other people doing it. It's nice for me to see you doing it. And I think it's great to keep us accountable when we share publicly what we're doing. If you don't want to do it on Instagram, share it with the girls there. So you inspire them, you motivate them, and then they motivate you back. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know, but enjoy this week's challenge and I'll see you next week, but we are going hard. Besitos.